Alright, so here's the Bulletproof helmet that I have. It's made by Hardhead Veterans. And the color that I have right here is black multicam. And the size is a medium. Now the reason I went with Hardhead Veterans is because they offer their helmets in small, medium, large, and extra large, I believe. And most of the other companies in this price range that I saw at that time were offering just medium or just large and extra large. And I wanted a little bit more custom fit. I'm a little bit smaller of a guy, and those were a little too big for me. So yeah, I went with this company, and I'm very satisfied with this helmet. I bought another helmet from a different company, and the multicam color was just terrible. It was a faded green, and it just did not even come close to look matching any type of black multicam pattern. The paint that was on the rails right here started peeling off as soon as I had it, out of the box. It was just ridiculous, and it was flaking off like it was just done by some rattle can paint job. And it was too, it was a large helmet, I believe, and it just didn't fit as well as this medium does. And so I'm really glad I kind of got rid of that helmet and went with Hardhead Veterans. So if you're looking for a helmet, I would give this company a serious look, because like I said, you get more of a custom helmet with this company than you do the others. I really like the Velcro mohawk pattern that is on this. And I have the Impact Sports ear protection on there. And then this is the Hard Hat Veterans ear protection mounts. And they work fantastic, decent price. I think they were about $50 at the time, which, you could buy the $20 off Amazon, the cheap ones, or you could buy the $100 expensive ones, over $100 ones. And these I found on their website for $50. So I snatched those up right away. Got those hooked up to the Peltors. Now the padding on the inside is amazing. It has like a 2-layer system, if you guys can see it, yeah. So you have your padding right here, and then they give you extra Velcro patches to place on the outside of the actual padding. And then this padding actually secures inside of that. And it really just, it really makes it for a very comfortable helmet. You kind of putting a big bowl on your head and expecting it to feel comfortable, and this is exactly what you need for it to feel at least somewhat decent. And it doesn't have a little ratchet point in the back that I can feel. No, I don't think there is. But this strap for the for the chin strap is magnet. It has a magnet inside of it, and it just snaps in place just like that. It's so quick and simple. It's amazing. You can just pull it off and get out, snap it in, you're done. I really like that little feature. Trying to clip that shit in underneath your neck, underneath your chin, is a pain in the. And so yeah, that is the setup I have for it as of right now. I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, and that's about it. Like I said, if you guys are searching for a helmet, give Hardhead Veterans a look. They're decent priced as in ballistic helmets, and they're fantastic looking, fantastic feeling helmets. I don't think you'll be too disappointed. All right, thanks for watching, guys.